Hello, good morning, student. My name is Roshan. Today, I will teach you computer class 5, and today's topic is Introduction to MS Excel. Okay, in this chapter, we will learn how to start MS Excel, perform basic calculation, and how to save and open a saved workbook, and how to exit or close MS Excel. So now let's see. First of all, Microsoft Excel. What is the Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a popular spreadsheet software. It is one of the software of Microsoft Office. It helps us to perform mathematical calculation like addition, subtraction, division. Okay, Microsoft Excel has built features and tools like formula, functions, and data analysis. Many features have in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so now let's see one by one. Microsoft Excel can be used in various ways. First is arrange data in useful way. Second, less and easier typing. Microsoft use very less and easier typing. Okay, and third is perform calculation and auto recalculation. Auto table format. Compare data through chart. Data sort for analysis. And compare two different sheets. Microsoft Excel can be used various ways. Okay. Now let's see first of all how to start MS Excel. MS Excel start in two ways: shortcut method and step by step method. Now let's see step by step how to start. First of all, click on start button. Then the start menu appear. After that, click on all program option. Then click the Microsoft Office option. Then expand the folder of Microsoft Office. Okay, then click on Microsoft Excel. After click on Microsoft Excel 2010. Then Microsoft Excel window appear on the screen. Okay. After open the Microsoft Excel, this type of window. Okay. It has many component of Excel window. Let's see one by one. First is title bar. Okay. Second is quick access toolbar. Third, ribbon, name box, formula bar, worksheet, status bar. Okay, so now let's see title bar. What is the title bar? A title bar is a horizontal bar at the top of the window. It displays the name of file, name of current workbook. Okay. Now second is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar on the left side of title bar. It's provide icon for commonly used to command like undo, redo, save. Okay. Now ribbon. Ribbon located in just below title bar. Okay, it is a group of tabs. Now next is formula bar. Formula bar display the information about active cell. Okay, and workbook contains 3 worksheets by default: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay, and status bar located at the bottom of window display status information about the active worksheet. So this is the worksheet. Okay, so these all things are component of Excel window. Now, what is workbook and worksheet? A file in Excel is called workbook with 3 worksheets named sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. More worksheet can be added. You can add more worksheet in Excel. Okay, these sheets are visible in the form of sheet tabs at the bottom of work window. Each worksheet is made of row and column. Each worksheet is made of row and column. Each column has an alphabetical heading at the top of. There are 16,384 columns. Microsoft Excel have 16,384 columns and 10,48,176 row. Okay. Now next point is cell. What is the cell? The intersection of row and column is called cell with an address called cell reference. Okay, which is the combination of row and column. Heading display the name of box. Now, when we open Excel, then how to enter data? Okay, now let's see one by one. Select the cell to enter data. After, type subject in cell. Okay, the text enter invisible in the formula bar. Then select the cell next to it will reference. Suppose B1, C1, D1. B is column name and 1 is number of row. Okay. Then type marks in it. Then select cell C1. Then type out of in column A, type the name of subject. Enter the obtained marks in column B. Enter the subject marks in column C. In cell A6 type total. The data appear on the in Excel sheet format. Now, how to add the number? Okay, how to add total marks of an Excel sheet? First of all, select the cell where the sum should be appear. Okay, after that type equal to sum. Here sum is function for adding. Okay, after that select the cell whose sum is required. Okay, so here marks B, math marks 20, science 22, history 23, geography. So then type select math marks and science marks and history marks and geography marks. Then press enter key. The sum appear in the cell. Similarly, you can do subtraction, division, multiplication. Okay. Now, next point is after creating worksheet, then how to save the file. Okay. So let's see. First of all, click on File tab. After that, the file window appear on the screen. Then click on Save option. The Save as dialog box appear. Then type the file name. Then click on Save. Your file saved in computer. So okay student, today we will learn about MS Excel. What is MS Excel and how to entering data and how to save the file. So today's is enough. Okay, bye.